so today we are going to be doing a review on some hair extensions and some eyelashes. These were very kindly sent to me for review from this company called Doris Hair, and you guys, I am so excited to share these with you because I got some new hair extensions and a new eyelash set, and you guys, these are really good. So full disclosure, these products were sent to me for review. However, it does not change my opinion of them just because they were sent for free, but they have kindly offered some discount codes as well, so I will definitely be sure to include those in this video as well as in the description box in case you would like to purchase anything and get a little bit of a discount for yourself. So first things first, I was so excited whenever this company reached out to me because it was just like perfect timing. You probably haven't seen yet, but in my monthly vlog video, I just kind of got crazy one night and I wanted to cut my hair. And I don't completely regret cutting my hair, but you know, it was a thing. It was a thing. So whenever this company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try their hair extensions, I was absolutely over the moon because I had cut my hair and I was kind of having a little bit of regrets. So this couldn't have come at a better time. So these are from Doris Hair Extensions, and this is what the packaging of the box looks like. And these are called the Ultra Seamless Hair Extensions. And you guys, they are not kidding when they say ultra seamless. And when you open it up, you will see that there are two sections of the box. One has all of the hair extensions in it, and the side compartment has a tester strand, which is part of the hair extension set. So you can test out the hair color extension to see if it matches your hair color. And as long as you have not opened the main component of the package with the full hair extension set, if the color doesn't work out, you can exchange it or return it and find a color that is a better fit for you. So the other things that come in the hair set is two of these alligator clips, which I really love these. And these are like the professional like salon style ones. I've got some cheapy ones in my bathroom and they never hold my hair. But these I used as I was putting these hair extensions in today, and these actually held my hair up so well, and I did not even know that these came with it, but I'm so glad to have these. These really come in clutch, and I never thought I needed these, but now I know I do. And you also get two replacement hair weft combs if for any reason one is broken, or if you just want to add another clip to the weft, then you have two of them in the same color as the clips in the set. So it's always nice to have a little extra just in case. And there's also a little instruction booklet in here that tells you all about your hair extensions. It even tells you how many clips you have, where to place them, which is very helpful, and little tips and tricks on applying them and how to care for your hair extensions. So as far as the actual hair extensions that come in the set, there are 10 different pieces. You get two that are a 4-clip section, two that are a 3-clip section, two 2-clips, and 4 single clips. And I really love the little diagram here. It tells you in what order to place them, which was very helpful. So a little bit more about my personal hair extensions that I picked out. The color that I chose was ash blonde / platinum blonde. So these basically have two different tones that are blended together into the actual hair weft, and it just creates more dimension and not just one solid flat blonde. And I'm not kidding when I say when I opened up my package and I saw the test strand, my jaw actually dropped because I couldn't believe how good of a color match it was for me. And I was like, thank you, thank you. And it's not even that it was just like, oh, you know, it's close, it'll do. It was a dead ringer for my hair color, which really kind of blew my mind because, like I said, my hair is kind of in a weird color zone right now. It's a little bit more of like a sandier, ashier kind of blonde. It's not a bleach platinum blonde. It's not really a silvery gray like I used to do a lot. It's just kind of this more beigey, kind of sandy blonde color, and I just was over the moon when I saw that the colors that I had chosen were a perfect match for me. Here is a clip of the hair extensions in direct sunlight so you can see a little bit better what I'm talking about between the difference in colors and how they're very subtly blended together, but it has so much dimension to it where it really lends itself so great for blending in with my hair color. And this is what the color looks like in shaded sunlight, and this is what it looks like indoors under warm fluorescent lights. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a better idea of the color that I chose and whether that would be a good match for you or not. But I would have to say my hair color, I could not believe that they had something that would match so perfect for my hair. And they have a lot of colors to choose from as well. I think they have about 21 different colors to choose from. So they've definitely got a really good range for different hair colors, all the way from black to platinum blonde. And the length that I chose was 20 inches. Now they do have a few different lengths and thicknesses that you can choose from. I believe they go from 16 inches to 22 inches are the longest. And I have fairly long hair to begin with, so I didn't want to go with the longest, and obviously if I went too short they wouldn't even be noticeable with my hair. So I think that the 20 inches were absolutely perfect for me. Definitely gives me a bit of length without it being too drastic from my natural hair length. And you can get the 140 gram thickness or 160 gram thickness. I went for the 160. However, if you have very thin hair, you might want to go with the 140. It would make it a lot easier to blend in with your hair, because if you have very thin hair and you put a hair extension that's very thick and voluminous, it can kind of be a little bit obvious. So just be aware, if you have thinner hair, the 140 could be good. If you have thicker hair, I would go for the 160. And when they say ultra seamless, they mean it. These wefts are 1/2 millimeter thick, which is 50% thinner than other hair extensions on the market. And I have some from another brand, and this is the comparison of the thickness of the wefts. And believe me, it might look like just a small difference between the two when you're comparing them, but it feels like a world of difference when they're actually clipped into your head. They fit very nicely and flat and flush against my scalp, so it's much more comfortable, and they don't feel like they're sticking out off my head. I don't have that feeling of, oh my gosh, is my hair extension showing? So that is always a reassuring feeling. So here is a clip of me applying the hair extensions. They are super easy to apply, and I really love the little diagram here. It tells you in what order to place them, which was very, very helpful, because that's one thing with hair extensions. You kind of have to really know how to put them in your hair to get the best result. And the best thing I love about hair extensions is that these are human hair extensions. So you can treat it just like your own hair. You can cut it, you can dye it, you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do anything that you can do with your hair, you can do with these. So as far as how I like to wear hair extensions, I did want to show what it looks like with the hair extensions straightened. Now I do have a bit of a layered cut at the moment, so there are some spots that kind of look a little weird if I don't style my hair. There's a couple spots that can look a little awkward, so if I'm going to wear them straight, I like to apply the hair extensions, and then I like to go over and give everything a quick flat iron just to make it all blend together. And this is what it looks like with the straight hair extensions, which I think look nice. But my absolute favorite way to wear hair extensions is like a curl or a wave. It helps build more volume, and it also helps kind of hide if there's any sections that don't look quite right, which believe me, until you get the placement just perfect, sometimes there's going to be times where it can look a little funky. But when you curl your hair and wave it, or whatever you want to do, any kind of texture style is going to be your best friend when it comes to hair extensions. So that's what I did today. I opted for a soft, beachy kind of curl wave kind of look. I didn't really want to go for like a super perfect like ringlet doll type of curl, so I definitely went a little messy and didn't really care if it was perfect or not, and I feel like that just kind of adds to the look of it. I really like the more soft curl beachy look with hair extensions. I feel like you just can't go wrong with that, and it just helps blend and make it look even more seamless. So as far as the price of the hair extensions, they are just pricey. That's just the nature of the game. So the price of the set that I got was $250. Now that's before any discounts or any coupons or any type of sales that they're running, but that is the price of these hair extensions, and they were sent to me for free for review to try out and share with you guys. And I just have to be honest, would I purchase these myself? Knowing what I know now that I've tried them and worn them, I absolutely would. Hair extensions are expensive. They just are, point blank, and I am so happy with these. They are so comfortable on my head, and not to mention the color match was just unbelievably perfect for me, which is kind of hard for me to find, especially just in blondes in general. There are just so many millions of shades of blonde and tones of blonde and just every kind of mix of blonde you can think of. So I absolutely would purchase these with my own money. They are more of a pricey item, but if you take care of them, they will last a long time. And I'm so thankful that I got to try these out and share them with you guys and let you know. And they have kindly offered a 15% off discount for my viewers, so I will have the discount code on screen here as well as in the description box below if you would like to purchase anything. You can purchase from their website directly, and they also have an Amazon storefront as well, so I will have links to both of those so you can shop wherever you prefer. Which brings me to my next product, which is the eyelashes that I was sent as well. I was so excited to try these because these are some mink eyelashes, and I've never tried mink eyelashes before, and these, you guys, these are something else for real. So these are the ones that I chose. These are the natural soft light ones, and you guys, I have to say, if you are an eyelash girly and you like drama and you like bold lashes, these are gonna be lashes for you. When I first opened them up, I was like, wow, these are gorgeous, but they are very dramatic. So they're definitely not for the faint of heart. If you are like a half lash demi-wispy kind of girl, these might be a little bit more out of your comfort zone, but they are definitely still workable because I'm a little bit more of a natural lash kind of girl, but I feel like these just like make me feel like even more, I don't know, powerful or beautiful. I don't know what it is, but sometimes a more dramatic lash can just be what you're looking for, and these are definitely a bit more on the drama side, but I do love them. So in this set, there are 4 sets of eyelashes in all different styles, and then you also get a little spoolie brush, and you get a set of eyelash tweezers. You guys, these are clutch. I have several of these and I love them, and I could never have enough. I have some in my makeup bag, I have them in my everyday makeup collection, I have them at my boyfriend's house. They are everywhere. And I have to say, if you are not good at applying false lashes, if you get some of these, I think you will be very, very surprised at how easy this makes applying them. But these make applying lashes so much easier. You can apply the glue, and I like to really hold my hand up high when I am applying these because then I'm not blocking my view. If I'm trying to do it like this with my hand right in front of my eye, I can't see what I'm doing. So if I tilt my hand up like this, you can just place the lash exactly where you want it. And I swear, ever since I started using little lash tweezers like this, I have not had nearly as much trouble at applying eyelashes as I did when I didn't have these and I was just trying to like do it with my hand, you know, because you're just blocking so much of your view. So these are an absolute game changer, and if you don't already own some, I definitely recommend getting some. I also love that all of the lashes come in their own acrylic box. These are like an actual hard case, so they're not just like a little plastic flimsy thing that's gonna like get smashed. These are gonna like actually keep your lashes safe, which is really, really good because I am a big fan of reusing my lashes as many times as I can possibly use. And since these eyelashes do have a bit of a thicker band, they are going to hold up to wear so much longer than a really thin invisible band, which those are good too if you just want to wear them like once or twice, but I find that those just do not hold up very long at all. They're good for beginners because it's easy to mask, but they just don't last long for me. So I'm a big fan of ones that have a little bit of a thicker lash band, which these definitely do, because it just means that they're gonna hold up for a lot longer and you can wear them multiple times depending on how you care for them. So of the 4 styles that came in my set, there is K10, E10, E11, and E4. So I decided to go for the E4 style today, and these are so fun, but I had to definitely cut them down a bit because they are too long width-wise for me. Now I have very small eyes, so I had to cut off quite a bit just to make it fit my eyes, but it's nice that they are longer rather than shorter because if you do have a wider eye, you can always trim a lot less off the lashes. So as far as the lashes themselves, you guys, these are definitely by far the most dramatic, most like full bam kind of eyelashes I've ever owned. And these are actually a very soft fiber. They are mink lashes, and they just feel a lot softer than like your typical plasticky kind of synthetic eyelash. These are thick, layered, curled lashes. These are dramatic with a capital D. I think for me personally, they're a little bit more dramatic than what I'd wear typically, but on like a fun night out or a special occasion, these are definitely something that I just feel like would really just bring the whole glam look together. And overall, I just feel like they look so pretty. They are dramatic, but I love them. And even though these are not gonna be like an everyday lash for me, these are definitely gonna be like a special occasion. Like I just need something super dramatic and super glam. These are the ones I'm going for. So the eyelashes you can find on their online Amazon store. I will have that linked below. And for reference, the styles that I got with the 4 lashes and the tweezer and the spoolie brush is $16 for the whole set, which brings it to about $4 per pair of lashes, which I think is an extremely reasonable price, especially for how thick and lush and like really glam these lashes are. If I would have saw these like in a store and you told me to guess how much these were, I probably would have thought these were like a $20 eyelash, just because how full they are. They are full and very like curled. These are just such a nice, like really dramatic eyelash if that's what you're into. And I think they have about like 13 different sets to choose from. So there's definitely something out there for everyone, especially any dramatic girlies out there that love the big, bold lashes. This is definitely the place for you. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.